In this video, I want to share a brief history of our family blueberry farm. Sprinkles Blueberry Farm, in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, is set on a rolling hill in western Forsyth County, 5 miles west of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Blueberry Hill is the retirement project of my parents, Alfred and Wilma Sprinkle. Al retired from AT&T in 1979 and set out to plant 5 acres of blueberries. The original planting of 3,240 rabbit-eye blueberry bushes included 4 varieties: Tiv Blue, Garden Blue, Delight, and Premier. Soil preparation included deep plowing and disking, and adding multiple loads of aged sawdust. The 100 rows, each 200 feet long, were heeled to improve drainage. 4 miles of drip irrigation lines along with a half-mile of buried headers and supply lines from the pump house were installed. A deep well was punched over 200 feet deep. A 3-horsepower submerged pump was lowered into the well, where it delivers over 55 gallons of water per minute to the field. Water is then pumped to 6 irrigation zones in the field. The drip lines have small holes every 2 feet. The drip rate for each emitter is regulated to 1/2 gallon per hour. The wait began. Irrigation, fertilization, pruning, and mowing helped pass the next few years as the bushes grew and started producing. Our first opening date finally came in early July, about 3 years after planting. Our local TV station sent reporter Frank Fraboni with his cameraman to our opening. These videos of Dad, Mom, and friends document that day. Young family members find their roles in the ongoing maintenance team. As 40 years passed, the bushes grew and matured just as the families who return each year to pick. The kids are bringing their kids. The parents are now bringing their grandkids with stories of their earlier visits. Family outings to pick blueberries are more popular with the growing knowledge of the health benefits of fresh-picked blueberries. Not to mention it's fun coming to the country and seeing the manicured fields and neighboring horse farm next door. Just as we are eager to welcome new pickers, we are saddened to know there are some that are no longer with us. Unfortunately, not all our visitors are as welcome. They can often present challenges. I suppose no uninvited guest created more concern than a migratory flock of robins that arrived shortly after the field came into full production 30 years ago. Thousands moved in just as we were opening and completely consumed our entire crop. The answer, as we were advised, was netting. Dad spent the entire winter preparing to net the field for next year's crop. Then spent the next harvest season freeing and releasing trapped birds. A decision was made that year. We just had to raise enough berries to go around. Birds did return each year, but rarely have been that severe. Most recently, the growing deer population has found our field. In the summer they enjoy the fruit, and in the fall during rutting season the bucks return and destroy bushes as they rub their antlers to remove the velvet. I guess I have watched 200 seasons come and go over the past 50 years here on the farm. I'm looking forward to sharing with you the story of our adventure of restoration of the 50-year-old field. From propagation of the replacement plants, preparation of the field, planting, irrigation, and pruning. I am working on a second video that shows the steps and progress of our rebuilding. Check back for it soon. We all are eager to see everyone here when we reopen in June. Check our website at blueberrysite.com for updates on our opening. Thanks for watching.